Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today is day 24 of 90 days challenge. And in this video, I'm telling you my books. Here is my books. Right now, I read this book, Get Epic Shit Done, and written by Ankur Warikoo. And here is in this books multiple chapters of improve confidence, improve body language, improve mindset, improve business mindset, and everything. And you must read this book. This is very useful for everyone, for who improve or English speaking practice, English improving. So then you must read this book. And in front of me, Rajni Verma, what are you doing right now? I don't know, but let's see. Let's ask. Let's. I ask a question to her. See what happened.
What happened?
Hello,
Nothing.
Rajni Verma. What are you doing right now?
I'm rearranging all my books that I used to put them here earlier to take my session, as the tripod is broken from here, so it's not working. And then I had to put all my books here to have the stand for my session. Sometimes we have to do certain things. So this is what I did earlier. And now I have to rearrange all the books and notebooks that I have mentioned here. So I'm just doing that. Tell me, what have you read in that book? This is the second book of Ankur Warikoo that you are reading, Get Epic Shit Done, right? So what have you read? What have you learned so far from the book?
And here is the book, Get Epic Shit Done, written by Ankur Warikoo. I read chapter 2, first chapter. Wait a minute. Yes, first chapter is this. How can I stop comparing myself to others? Guys, this chapter is very useful and very helpful. How can we compare? How can I stop comparing myself to others? Because when we start learning journey and when we start anything in our life, then we compare each and we compare myself each and every person. And when these times we compare, and we feel very demotivation, because we think about other person, they are doing right now these types of upgrading and these type of improvement, but I'm not improve myself. And so these type of doubts and self doubts in our mind. So I think you face this problem, so must read this book, How Can I Stop Comparing Myself. This is very helpful, and there are so many examples provided by Ankur Warikoo. And I read this chapter. It's very helpful for me. And if you are a beginner and you struggle with your career and you struggle with communication, then you must read this book. And next chapter, I read this. I read this. How do I build my communication skill? Guys, communication skill is very important in each and every factor, because when we communicate with each and every person, then we understand easily with front of anyone. Then we understand easily like anything, like any person behavior, any person, how we what we say. And when these, I think, very important. So communication skills is very important. And when we are growing, that time communication is very important. These are some examples. And writing daily is not just for writers, it is for communicators who wish to express themselves better. So this is very helpful. I highlight this ending sentence trains you to move towards a conclusion. So I think it's very helpful for everyone. And here is so much. And another, anything do you consistently will help. Okay, so something advise and make sentence and make this. So in this chapter, there are so many necessary things provided by Ankur Warikoo. You must read and apply your life. There are so many examples. And right now I read this chapter. How do I build a growth mindset? Guys, growth mindset is more important, because when we are growing, and when we are doing something in our life, that time mindset is very important. Mindset is very mindset is mindset is mindset रोल प्ले करता है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Plays an important role.
Yes, mindset plays a vital role in our life, and when we do something, that time our mindset, if our mindset is great and strong, that time we achieve something easily, and not easily, but we achieve something perfectly and very attentively. So this is very important chapter, I think, and here is something highlight. I highlight with pen, with not pen, highlight with highlight with
Highlighter.
highlighter. Yes. And okay, in this chapter, Ankur Variko tell tell some. Here is my English. Do not judge my English because I am beginner and I am not a good writer. But I tell, how do I build a growth mindset? So people are born with a fixed capability. Ankur Variko say to in this book, one student and one teacher, and students ask questions to teacher, then teacher reply that these type of questions and answers, they these conversation, and then I read this chapter, then I make sentence, make notes in my notebook. So people are born with fixed capability. Okay, so then teacher asked, the first one is to spend time with people who are nothing like you in a disciplined manner, in the sense, when we grow our life, when we do everything in our life, then we do discipline, like in discipline. So discipline is very important, very vital role in our life. And second, risk is not a limiting factor but rather an opportunity. So teacher asked, risk is more important. If we improve our mindset, we improve our growth mindset, then risk is very important. Do risk, do action, and to create something new, to create something bigger in life, risk is very important. Okay, so these are type of questions and answer I write down on my notebook. Here is I list, I not understand, then I write down in Hindi because it's very easy for me understand. And so if you beginner, and if you want to good book, then you must read this book, get epic shit done. Okay, that's it for today. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.